let's learn about some of the features of the Sandbox. In the Sandbox, everyone in the course is an editing teacher, so your Sandbox should look exactly like this one. The first thing you're going to want to do is turn the editing on by clicking here. And then you have lots of options and many things that you can do. The first thing I'd like everyone to do is pick a block and make it your own, and then you're going to edit it by putting your name there. So this means edit, so I'm going to click there, and I'm going to type my name. That will become my block, and then I need to save the changes. You can put lots of information in there. If I wanted to go back and edit, I could do that by clicking here, and then I can make all sorts of changes to that block by adding it there. The other thing I can do is add resources. So I can insert a video or a label. I really want you to play with the Sandbox. The great thing about this is that you can't hurt anything. So I'd like for you to go in and add a resource, text pages, web pages, a link to a file or a website. I'll just show you that one really quickly. What would happen there? I'll just pick Google, and so then I scroll down and I put in the URL. Oops. I can choose or upload a file. I can search for a web page. I have all sorts of things. It asks me where I want to open it. Typically when you go out of a site, you usually open it in a new window. That way you don't have to use the back to navigate. And I'm going to save it and display it. Okay, and it would take, that's how I would go to Google from there. The other thing I can do is add an activity, and this is how we add forums and things like that. Again, I really would like for you to play with this. So I'll just show you how to add a forum, which is where we do our discussions. I'm just going to call it test forum. Then I would, this is where you put the prompt. And then you have other options down here as far as like how you want to grade it, and whether or not you want to give it a date range where people can post. I'm going to save and display. This is how it looks. Okay. And there is my forum right there. So I would like for everyone to make sure that you go into the Sandbox and play with it. In the next module, we'll actually have an activity within the Sandbox, but just remember that you can't hurt the Sandbox because it is here for you to play. As always, if you have any questions, just let me know.